we want to smoke today? You know what? I'm going to be outside. I'm going to try one of these lunatics. Good morning. All right. Good morning, everybody. On our way to another EVChargerFast.com. EV charger. I think this was a Tesla wall connector. I'm in these new Ford E-Transit vans, as you can see. Got thing 1 and thing 2 here, right? So I have to say that I absolutely am enjoying this van. Oh, Tesla wall connector going in here today. All right, so we're gonna come out here from the basement and coverings on. Let's go check it out.
Here's the wall connector.
You leave it there.
Yep.
Everybody got shoe coverings?
Yeah.
60 amp line from this panel, and this is all drywall, so we're gonna end up snaking it through to the back, and which will bring us into here. I'll work on that. We'll get a wire from there, then we're gonna bring it down, and not that far. Clark gonna stay over here.
Oh,
okay, because, and then we're gonna come over here somewhere, just get it somewhere to here, and then we'll take a look and assess. Now,
this is the outside.
let's hope these tiles move. Yeah, you can fit right under here. Right? Straight down. Okay, and I'll be over here, starting on this. Look at this, this is kind of cool. They put this like a little game here. Huh?
They always do.
Give it to here. Yeah, right? What is that, Plinko? Right? Right with the little... That's a cover for their electric panel.
Is that like code? Is that fine?
Yeah, sure it is.
Right, I guess we'll start this.
Nothing wrong with that. It's just a cover.
This is generator right here.
Let's see what that looks like. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Auto start Wednesdays at 5:15. You know what that? All right, so this person has a generator panel. You can see in and out, right? So this is an automatic transfer switch, so that means there has to be power going in and the generator going in. So that looks pretty big. But you can see that's why all these wire nuts are here. But we'll do it. We got this. Going good? Going good? Going good, P? Yeah, baby. Yep. See, this panel is really tight, so we came in through the side, came around, and fed our 60 amp breaker. I'm gonna turn it on. It's on. And let's go out and check it out. Look at the wire, nice and nice and flat, really good. Good job.
Yeah, except this part we got a little bit.
Okay, here we are. Tesla is on. EVChargerFast.com. Call us when you... EVChargerFast.com, guys.